kau hak por bang dang red ni ngadan sing interest football mo ni lat dan kai mo tidak nak ni mi kau dah betul ni siang football betul kelong siang setiap dah kuat nak kai football ni tidak itu ki so bintang menjadi kai hadin part ni lingbai mis berta dakar hati bu pitah ni ya lah ni sebab Kerala nanti nak Kerala pat harus 6 arajar kesan ngelek kerja pun pangilek yang pasti pada ke football kelong nama yang sulit nak kai itu bet dan kong ki ang badai ka coaching nang la positif pat kedai ka national football
ka Khynhun le kai football jong ki samla baduna de khotman balatip kom ka Meghalaya Blind Football Club mentakasngi kilayo ban sha ai Burom leng ba wi urang ba uba lari pi Warjri ka balalong hotel assembly ha ka jinga don lang uba MH Kharkrang rengkat kite ki samla baduna de khotman kethup ki bana khasi bat garo kite ki samla ki balayo ban wan nation benta ha ka 6th IBFF Men's National Blind Football Tournament Arjar RQR ka balalong ha Chennai Tamil Nadu
job yang buat. Dia hantar kandidat bagi semua. Kita job ni tang mudah senam tu asna mensuar kita job. Kemudian lesen kita long champion India. Berarut di kini nak kajong kita di blind napok Shillong, way pada po garun sway. Lawan yang UK tour, bela kajong football mana. Kemudian kita sampai ngut, kemudian bela kajong bela kemudian Asia Cup. Jadi kalau kita bersultan bahawa kali ini akan utama dan bentaban dan hak ASEAN sehingga tempat datang bahag kata organisasi global dengan sini kita bentang berkerau bagi dana laga jong ASEAN ke bapaka dana lagi jong ki nongkit kamu ke bapaka bagi benpek ya kedua bayo ini bagan wat ki jarap hak bede bagi ni dijerakan membeli kumang itu himata kasorkan Meghalaya kada declare ya sports policy telesi kini indung hak kata bentang bagi la bunyo ke kersian jeng aibor jeng yarap lu bat kani kasap bagi dan hak de jeng nak ka jompi nak bertempau ya kata ka thong juki bagi poi bagi jong lembah ka jeng le kai ka bawa lagi duduk no ki khmat lu andai dan mentai ya ka ibat ka ban ben inu sahangi bahwa wat habakin dan su ya ka jeng imat andai bila poi su ka thong ban job hari India ban nikmat ya dari India hak de jeng le kai blind football kita ni kinong aibu dongki tambah keempat dari kata korkom gapa long organize ba dia mata kita wan hak platform bagi organize ba dia mak kani lesi kan nok play kan anti mak hampa chu ki ni syahmat bagi nang yo ban pentibit chu le dia ban yo ban crowd ni gejina kan ban pau e ka sap dongki ni tang hani hak jela ka joni ni hak dari India ni ban sabad dari India ni bagi nak ban mi khmat nam ta dari India ni berapa.
It's amazing how these young boys have been able to manage through the years, and much more amazing is that for the last 3 years they have been the champions at a national level. But here I'd like to say 2 things. First of all, let them be an inspiration to all our young people, boys and girls, who have got all the 5 senses intact. That if they who has lost one of their senses of sight, but still then they can still become champions. What more for the others who have got all the 5 senses? And behind this success of these young boys, there are a number of people behind them who have been supporting them. Here we have seen the 2 coaches, the goalkeeper, and their family members, and we have people like Lari here supporting them. But I guess there's a limit that can go unless that support is a formal kind of support, and that support comes based on certain policies. See, now the thing is, subsequently they'll be going for the championships. Then since now Lari has set up this football club, then he'll go running from pillar to post to get some donations here and there. But I think in the end of it, we actually need a policy of this. We have a number of budding talents with us, and they have been coming to me. In fact, there's one young boy who will be contesting in Europe shortly, and expenditure is huge. But the thing is, he is running from pillar to post, trying to make up that money. What I feel is that we can only bring out champions in various fields if those participants, they are left out from this worry of trying to find out sponsors and financial aid for themselves. They should be concentrating on their coaching. Their mind should be totally clear from any other things except their training for the championship. Unless we can do that, unless we can reach that kind of level, I really doubt that our state can really produce exceptionally great people in various fields. We have not been able to produce any national champions, leave aside Olympic champions. There are other places of India, even in fact Northeast has been able to produce. But some of the other, Meghalaya has not success stories. And I do hope that the government thinks about these kind of budding talents and not to waste them, because they are the ones who will inspire others. You know, so the thing is, we have these young boys who have lost their vision, and but still they have been able to manage this kind of championship. You know, they will become an icon. They will become a role model for many other people, for many other young boys and girls.
Kau nak hak pun bang red, ni ngadan sing interest sak football mah. Ini olat dan kai mah. Tidak nak ni dah mikong dah betul. Ni siang football betul. Kelong siang. Setiap dah kuat nak kai football ni tidak kita ki so ye bintang menjadi kai. Hadin part ni lingbai mis berta Dakar. Hati bu pitah ni yo lah ni sebab Kerala. Nanti nak Kerala pat harus 6 arajar kasan ngelek. Kerja pun pangilet impati pada ke football kelong nama. Ting sulit nak kai itu bet. Ting kong ki ang badai ka coaching. Nang la positif pat kedai ka national football. Tapi la kai pat tingi ai kedua. Yang kenduk semifinal dah mengira maka penalty shootout maka poin kejuk berkhaj tim punya kan semifinal ngiram dekat tos
Pilak ni apa punya?
Aku lakai kan ke bang lakah dan bang dan pemadan di ugur guide batai yang ni yaki forward mah ki striker batai ugur guide dan dan sejan defend jang ki openan batai ugur guide dan hapdeng batai coach hapo defender pat batai goalkeeper ada kerja kebor ki batai ada ngimsu yakin hap sangap hi dan dalam dia kebor bah kelun saya dah ngimsu yakin kan ngap sangap anu kebor kadan badang dan hapo madan pat ngapa boy kemut ba ngi batai ngi dan hangna long player jeng ngintip kan
Di akan ni final
untuk Persya Kerala ajar kendai ajar pong ikin yolet nama bakadan ka lockdown lockdown tengi ni ada biang semua ajar kuai ajar kuat mau tahu senang